And then we just pour our sour plum sauce onto it. And there you go.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is having a very nice fish here. It is called 燕子斑. 燕子 is swiftlet. I think it probably gets its name from this very sharp tail. I don't know what is the real name in English for this particular grouper. Can someone who knows actually type in the comment section below? This is probably about 600 gram here, so just nice for table size. So what we do here is make sure you clean the fish thoroughly, both outside and also inside, and make sure you remove the fish kidney, which is the middle, this middle part. You usually will see some blood stain. That is the source of fishiness, and that is actually the fish kidney. All right. So after which we will make 2 to 3 slits here on the fish body to help the cooking process. Put some ginger at the bottom and as well as the top. And we marinate it with a little bit of salt. Then we can send it to our steamer. Today I'm going to steam it in a very special way. All right, the steamer is ready. Let's put in the fish and let it do its work while we go and prepare the sauce. So what are we going to use to make the sauce? You see some big onion, yellow onion slices, yeah, thin slices. And next thing is this plum sauce. Yes, I tried this plum sauce steamed fish in one of the restaurants recently. It turns out to be pretty good, so no harm, give it a try. All right, so first of all, we're going to give it a bit of water here. Heat it up, and we can actually add in the plum sauce. I always have to find ways on how to use my plum sauce. What do I normally use it for? I can't remember. I think it's to make some sweet and sour sauce or something like that. Okay, so I'm putting in about maybe 6-7 tablespoons. You can put a bit more, no problem. So you want to totally dilute it. All right, and you can see this already is quite a thick consistency here. So you don't want to put too much water, right? Then you put in the onion slices. Cook it for approximately about 1 minute. Then your plum sauce is ready. Just for the sake of color, I'm going to add in a few pieces of red chili here, chili slices. This is totally optional. And I don't mind adding in some ginger as well. Actually, that particular restaurant only put the big onion. They don't put the red chili, they don't put the ginger. So there's no rules in Appa Kitchen. All right? After about 1 minute, this is basically done. You can off the fire and let's just wait for the fish. All right, after it is done in about 10 minutes, I leave it inside for another about 1 to 2 minutes for the residual heat to continue cooking, cook through the fish, yeah? Be careful of the steam here. We're going to very carefully take out the fish. Wow, the fish it looks so good. Can you see this clearly? Oh, looks really good. So as you can see from here, I have the fish. And then I have a serving plate. We are going to move the fish over to the serving plate because the steamed fish plate here has a lot of fishy water, which we don't want it. See, all this is the source of fishiness. And you can remove the ginger as well. All right, here's the fish. Look at how excited the fin is up. And then we just pour our sour plum sauce onto it. And there you go. Today's one of my Appa followers said something very funny to me. She said she have tried many of those dishes that I always say, wow, so fragrant. She said she tried to cook those dishes. It turns out to be very fragrant as well. Very funny. All right, so I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.